welcome to We Grow Wild Homecraft, another home renovation episode. We finally moved here. This is the house, and we've been living here for about 2.5 weeks, almost 3. And it's a dream, but also so much work, and the living situation is very kind of temporary. We don't have a bathroom, we don't have running water and all of that. So in this episode I'll share a little bit of house renovation, a little bit of gardening, a little bit of life here, our daily off-grid life. It's currently, I think, 5:30 p.m. and we kind of finished the day. In terms of like work, I worked on the land and on the greenhouse, and Mike did some work upstairs, sharpening tools and all of that. And we need to go and wash ourselves. So we have like a backpack each. Mike is coming as well soon, and we're going to go to the river. It's super, like it's not a river. It's not a river. It's a super tiny stream of water. I'm exhausted. It's a super tiny stream of water, and we just are going to go there and like properly wash ourselves. We've been washing ourselves in like pieces by warming up some, like a big pot of water and mixing the boiled water with some cold water. We know that this is not gonna, last for a long time. We'll soon have a well and running water, but for now it's an interesting experience. It's kind of an adventure, and it's still super cold here, especially in the evenings, especially if it rains and it's cloudy. But today we had a beautiful sunny day, and we feel kind of energized because of the sun and because of we've been working. So enough with me talking, and let's go to take a bath.
We need to take a shower. I just cleaned the inside of the vacuum. You gotta take the time like before you shower to do the dirty things,
Yeah. It's not really a shower though, but...
No. But I'm always dirty, so...
Show the hands.
This is like metal paint from today. Then I have like epoxy, gypsum, vacuum dust, and the clay. That's pretty much what I've been doing today.
You're in t-shirt.
Yeah, I got pretty warm after cleaning the vacuum. I don't know, it was pretty intense.
Okay, let's go.
Yep.
No leakings.
I never really tried them.
It's pretty good.
I had them for like 20 years. I don't know, like they're just boots from the north of Sweden kind of.
Nice.
And I always had them, but I almost never used them until now.
Very useful.
Yeah. morning.
We're installing the post box and it's so cute. Good morning. So yeah, we're dealing with the post mailbox, and we're doing this, which seems apparently very useless compared to the amount of work that we need to do. But we're doing it because the postman has to understand where we live and there aren't houses around, so
54. It's like a piece of olive wood that I had from before. From that old log that we were gifted from the neighbors. Which was half rotten, half old, but I could excavate some nice pieces of olive wood. And these are some of the leftovers.
how
And
cute.
olive wood is really beautiful.
It is.
I mean, the veins is really special, I think. Change this. Like, I was thinking maybe to fix that damage that I caused with cloth. If it's even possible.
Yay! How cute!
And then let's hope that the post people will find us in the end.
Yeah.
Feels highly unlikely at this point. Alright, so after lots of work and struggle, but now lots of joy, we can show you that we have electricity in the house.
Yeah.
And not only that, we can charge to have more electricity with this beast of a generator that is basically charging like 1/3 of the battery in 1 hour. So we get a full battery in 3 hours, but we hope to charge with this like 1 or 2 hours per week maximum, because it's a monster, it makes a lot of noise. But let me show you how it works. In there I'm not even gonna say anything, I'm just gonna show you that it's charging and that things are working. Finally we can charge our phones, because we just ran out. I was without the phone for days, but we're back, and the channel is back. We're going strong.
We're editing, she's knitting.
It's all good.